The problems are the part of life and solving them is the art of life. So, how are these problems solved? These problems are solved by only one thing, that is communication skills.
Hi, Brilliance. Okay, guys, so are you ready for your today's discussion day? Yes. By the way, discussion, what does this mean? मतलब इस word का meaning क्या होता है? Can anybody express me in a word कि discussion equals to what?
The exchange of opinions.
Exchanging your opinions and
Replacing our opinions with others.
placing your opinions and
The respecting others.
respecting others. And anybody else from here, audience? Discussion equals to what? Anybody?
Sharing our points.
Sharing our points and
To discuss something.
to discuss something.
Prove your points.
Prove your points. That's true. Last but not the least,
Giving opinions to someone else and taking.
गिविंग ओपिनियन एंड टेकिंग ओपिनियंस. दैट्स ट्रू कि डिस्कशन को समझने के लिए कहीं ना कहीं ट्रू ओपिनियंस मैटर करते हैं. बट ये डिस्कशन बर इंग्लिश एकेडमी में क्यों हो रहा है और मैं आपको ये स्किल को डेवलप करने को क्यों बोल रही हूँ? रीजन बीइंग क्योंकि कहीं पर भी इन फ्यूचर जब आप सीनियर क्लासेस में जाओगे, आप कॉलेजेस में जाओगे और इवन अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में भी आप अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स से डिस्कस करना पसंद करोगे चीज़ों को, ना कि आर्ग्यू करना. It means the skill is actually a magic. If you have good skill of sharing opinions, अपनी opinions को आपको share करना आता है, सुनना भी आता है और समझना भी आता है. It means you are a good communicator. आप एक ऐसे communicator हो जिसके अंदर एक understanding और एक patience develop है. नहीं तो road पे तो लोग they are ready to fight, they are ready to argue, they are ready to shout. But आप as being Barian, आपको चीजें समझ के कंक्लूजन पे आना, डिसीजंस लेना, अपने पॉइंट्स को डिस्कस करना, ये ज्यादा इंपैक्टफुल लगता है. यस और नो? सो आज का हमारा सेशन भी कुछ ऐसे ही होने वाला है जिसमें हमारे बरियंस डिस्कस करने वाले एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक जिसे कहते हैं द आर्ट ऑफ ऑल द स्किल्स. अगर आपको ये स्किल आता है इसका मतलब आप किसी भी फील्ड में अमेजिंगली अपने आप को प्रेजेंट कर सकते हो, जिसे कहते हैं कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. इस स्किल को मास्टर करने के लिए हमारे बरियंस आज इस स्किल के बारे में समझेंगे, अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज को डिस्कस करेंगे. इसी के साथ साथ आप ये भी शेयर करेंगे हाउ टू डेवलप इट, व्हाई इज इट सो इम्पोर्टेंट एंड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स रिक्वायर्ड टू डेवलप इट. आर यू रेडी फॉर दिस? ओके, व्हाइल हैविंग डिस्कशन, दो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज, ऑलवेज लिसन टू योर मेंबर्स. नेवर गो ऑन स्पीकिंग. नेवर हैव दिस फाइट टू जस्ट speak. I want to speak. I know English, I want to speak. No. I want to place my opinion, but before that, want to listen. Second, सबसे important, अपने point को superior ना मानना. Don't find your point all time superior. Discussion means focus on topic, not on personal views. कि यार ये तो ऐसा सोच रहा है, ये तो ऐसा है, ये तो ऐसा है. No. Our thought is to get to the conclusion on this table. Got it? Understood? Shall we begin?
Yes.
Okay.
So hello everybody, and today we are gathered here to talk about a major topic, that is communication skills. So what I think so that communication skills are the art of skills in which if we have it, so means we can do anything. Communication skills include speaking, writing, gesture plus posture. Now guys, what do you think about communication skills?
As she has mentioned about what is communication skills, I will tell you what is communication. Whenever we place our thought in front of anyone by writing or speaking, that is called communication. It can be in many ways, in speaking, writing, or by signs.
There is a quotation that the problems are the part of life and solving them is the art of life. So, how are these problems solved? These problems are solved by only one thing, that is communication skills. To solve problems, you will not fight with each other. Rather, you will do communication and solve that problem like we are doing discussion.
Yes, you are right, Utkarsh, because I also believe in that. As we all are gathered here and we are only communicating with each other only, as we are placing our thoughts and getting the thoughts of others. So it is also a communication.
Communication skills have the ability to exchange each and other opinion and share our knowledge, that and also prove our knowledge, that how much knowledge we
have. Communication is a thing that by that you can means read the mind of others, and that people can also means that people will be only listening to your words by if you will be having good communication skills, so that people wants to listen your communication and talk with you and will be doing communication with you, because that people will be surely liking your communication style, your skills, and many more. So it is like that you can control anyone's mind in your way.
Oh, wait. Would like to suggest you something. In discussions, you are not only creating impact by your sentence and your emotions, by your opinion. If you like someone's important point, and if you really want to appreciate it, कि हाँ it is similar to me, ये मेरे सेंटेंस से कहीं सिमिलर है. ऐसा हमारी लाइफ में भी होता है, जब पापा कुछ बोल रहे होते हैं, मम्मा कुछ बोल रही होती है, घर में कोई भी बात चल रही होती है, सो आप सीधा अपनी बात बोलते हो. दिस इज अ वेरी रॉन्ग पर्सनैलिटी. आपको हमेशा लोगों को उनके पॉइंट्स के लिए, उनकी नॉलेज के लिए, उनकी बात के लिए अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए. ये आपकी लाइफ में भी ऐड होना चाहिए. दैट आई अप्रिशिएट योर पॉइंट, आई जेन्युइनली लाइक दैट, इवन वी आर ऑन द सेम पेज. बाय दीज लाइन्स you can add some values in someone's life. In discussion, never forget it.
That's great. The communication mean is not fighting with others. It's a mean with talking with others and solving the problems in a polite way. Yes or no, guys? According to me, this is a communication skill.
Now, guys, let us go why communication skill is important in different places. So, as I think communication skills, if it is home or if it is school, anywhere, communication skills are the most important part. And yeah, don't forget to have a good posture and also a good type of speaking style, because it is a major role of communication skills.
Whenever we go to school, tuition, home, whenever our teacher teaches us something, that's his communication. Whenever our tuition teacher teaches something, it is communication skills. Whenever we go to home, we see our mother to cook this, we want this. That is also communication skills.
Communication skills, even they help in the fields of relationship also, as not in only economical purposes or financial purposes. We can maintain a good relationship with each other if we have a good communication skills, as we are doing. We can do debate also, that is communication skills good or is English good. So like this also we can do debate, but we are discussing and now we will find the conclusion also.
Yeah, I really appreciate your point, Utkarsh, because I think that the communication skills also help us in means too many sectors. As if you're going for an interview, they will not see your degrees, your skills. They will first judge your communication skills, how you are communicating with others, and even how much bonds will you carry with your mates in that company.
Have you ever saw there are so many people whenever they talk to you, so you always feel, yeah, she is very nice. Have you ever feel?
Yes.
So they have a good communication skills. They have just improved their communication skills, means they have just updated them. So after listening all of you, I just got to know that the communication is the bridge between our mind and the world which is outside.
That's great, Shrishti. According to me, that means why it is important. If you go anywhere, I like the point of Piyush, that if we go in the interview, they only judge us with the communication skills. That's great. If we go anywhere, not talking about in interview, go anywhere and out of the schools to challenge someone. They're also they judge not to by your English. They judge you by your skills. For first skills, that communication skill.
As you meet to Harry sir, as by talking him you always smiles, you always feel happy. Why so? Because of his communicating style, as he communicates with everyone with very politeness. His voice like he speak if you have ever done a mistake, a big mistake, he will not shout on you, he will not beat you, just only suggestion he will be giving, and the suggestions you will means make you feel to that you are wrong at that side.
Now, guys, I think we should have a conclusion for this discussion.
I think is whenever means we talk to anyone and we talk very rudely, very politely, and we whenever we means we got angry at anyone, we really use a very rude language to them. We should never do this. By this, our communication posture should can create a very big mess in our personality.
Yeah, I also like your this point, and also with it, I think I should add something. As we all are here, means I think communication skills should not be judged as their means speaking style. It should be like the water in liquid. For example, like the water is the most important in the liquids because we are living by it. Like that only, the communication skill should be the most important in the skills.
In the conclusion, I want just to say you that we should add the communication skills in our life. Reason being, we all give the many examples that with the communication skills, people judge us. Yes or no? According to me, in the conclusion, just I want to say you that add in you the communication skill because it is really so much important.
I really appreciate the point of the Piyush as he mentioned an example. I really liked it. But I also like to add something that as in India, we are judged by English only. That's why we are sent in this academy so that we can improve our English also, and we can improve our personality also, and and communication skills too. So what I think is the English is not only the thing in which you are increasing your personality. Communication skills is also very important.
And it is not just like that. If you know English, at that time only you can communicate with others. If you know any language, Hindi, English, or any language, so it is important that you can communicate with them. You can means talk to them politely and very confidently. If you know, if you think that English is only the way of the communication skills, if you don't know English, so you can't learn communication skills, so you are wrong.
Now, guys, I think we should end this small discussion.
It went so smooth, reason being because everybody was giving this space to respect each other's point and was giving this liberty कि you speak and share your point of views openly. ऐसा ही होता है हमारी लाइफ में भी, चाहे कम्युनिकेशन टॉपिक हो या फिर कोई और भी डिस्कशन का टॉपिक. आपके बड़े से बड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स या फिर इश्यूज जो हैं घर के वो सॉल्व हो सकते हैं इफ यू एड द ब्लेंड ऑफ योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स एंड दिस पेशेंस. कम्युनिकेशन स्किल जो अभी आपने बोला ना, उसके साथ आपने उसको जिया भी है. यू ऑल वर गिविंग द चांस टू ईच अदर, यू वर लिसनिंग टू ईच अदर. और कम्युनिकेशन का सबसे बड़ा पार्ट होता है, सबसे मेजर पार्ट होता है लिसनिंग. इफ यू डेवलप गुड लिसनिंग यू विल श्योरली अंडरस्टैंड द power of communication skill. So that was so good. You went so good. But I would like to suggest you one more thing. That while expressing your emotions, try to add some real life examples. That creates magic. एक होता है नॉर्मल बात रखना, बट कम्युनिकेशन स्किल ही तो यही है कि किसी को समझाने के लिए कुछ ऐसे इम्पैक्टफुल एग्जाम्पल्स लगाना या रखना जिससे वो इंसान सच में समझ पाए. जैसे कि पीयूष ने कम्युनिकेशन स्किल को ही ट्राई करा, दैट ही वेंट विद दैट वाटर एग्जाम्पल एंड दैट created an impact on others कि he also appreciated and rest also got shocked कि यार this is nice यार, he changed and he came up with something which is so connecting. वो connecting बोलने के लिए he used a skill of words. That is communication skill. Understood? So clap for these members.